Come on now though. You have to do it, come. Okay, why is this coming back? Yeah. Come. Okay, careful. Careful of monitor, but I don't know about you. Now you tell.
The monitor is bigger than me.
That's true though. The monitor is bigger than me.
Very sad. I can literally hide behind this.
Try?
No.
Try. Do that.
I'll throw it down.
No. Alright. Finally. So this is my first video of unboxing, so I don't know how it will come, guys. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. As you can see, some goddamn manuals. Goddamn manuals. And I don't like this. मॉनिटर को साइड में रखता है अभी के लिए. Let's keep this thing inside. Let's see for the other parts. So this is the stand of the monitor. It's way too heavy. So the stand of the monitor comes like this, guys. So I got some of the connectors in here. I just ripped the cover. So here is the HDMI cables to connect the monitor to CPU. Let's keep this side. And there is a power adapter here for powering this PC. So here is some type of a cable which I don't know a lot. Yeah.
He'll need the manual for it, which he threw.
And the final thing, the base of the monitor. And let's see how this masterpiece is. Like, see this, god damn it, yeah. It's a very good sleek design of V and written as gaming series on top of this stand. I think you can see it now. So it comes like this. So finally now the big baby is here. The big damn thing. Monitor himself. Okay, there are some of my fingerprints. I'm sorry for that. And the back side of the monitor is like this.
And the messy situation, as you all can see, created by him.
Do you guys want to see some crazy stuff, like satisfying things? Then watch this. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so satisfying. Some more stuff for satisfaction. And this is not coming off.
You can't even remove it.
Wait. Nice. Nice. This monitor. It's satisfying.
And still you can see the mess surrounded.
Okay, this will be the creep. Alright guys, let's see how to connect this right now. I'll keep this a bit front. So I'll have to connect this like this and to push it from here and press it. So it's connected properly. Like this. Alright, for base, let's see now. This is the base, and we'll have to just unscrew this till down. And I'll have to connect this in this way. Am I doing that?
Right.
Yeah, first we will have to change this and just rotate. And put it inside. So it's done, guys. The fixing of the monitor is done, and this is the height of the monitor, and it is a big one. Almost like 1.5 inch difference. That's a good thing. And I don't know how to lower this thing. But okay, yeah, it is going down. Just push it down. Yeah. As you can see, there's naming of Gigabyte on the top of the stand. I didn't show you guys this earlier. Here is the Gigabyte naming. Yeah. This can be rotated, swivel, and height adjustment. Space adjustment by my friend Sakshi. So here is the before and after video of this setup. Very much, yeah. There are क्या problem? Adi. Noise. Now, speaking of this monitor comes with 165Hz of refresh rate, which can be later overclocked into 170Hz of refresh rate too. The panel of this monitor is based on IPS panel and its resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixel. Its response time is 1 millisecond and it's 120% sRGB, which is one of the best monitors even for creators out there. Finally, talking about this monitor, if you are looking for the monitor which is less than 16,000 and which is best for gaming and editing, then I would surely recommend this monitor to you guys. So what do you guys think about this monitor? Just tell me your reviews in the comments down below to me, and I will leave all the valid links of this monitor in the description below. so you can check it out. Even for those who are residing out of India, I'll just put the link about that also. And I will tell you for the best, you can go and buy this monitor in offline other than online, because online the price will be getting varied every time, but in offline you can even bargain with them. So I would recommend you guys to just go offline and just buy this monitor in offline. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for latest notifications in this channel. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you all in the next video. Adios, amigo.